lecture, we will see what is handover in cellular network. I am SumanPaul from HIT Haldia. In this lecture, we will learn what is handover, reasons for handover, different types of handover, and lastly, we will go through in details of inter-PSC intraMSC handover in GSM, Global System for Mobile Communication. What is handover? Handover is also known as handoff. Cambridge Dictionary says handover means the giving of control of or responsibility for something to someone else. Handover in a cellular network refers to a process of transferring an ongoing call or data transfer from one channel to another. It is a process of transferring a mobile station from one base station, means base transceiver station, to another BTS. Next, let us go through the reasons for a handover. There are mainly two basic reasons. One is for the mobility of the mobile station, and second one is for load balancing in the network. For the first case, there is mobility. That means the mobile station moves out of the range of a BTS or a certain antenna of a BTS respectively. The received signal level decreases continuously until it falls below the minimal requirements for communication. The error rate may grow due to interference. The distance to the BTS may be too high. So all these effects may cause the low quality of radio link and make radio transmission impossible in the near future. That means if the mobile device moves out of the range of one cell, means one base station, and a different base station can provide it with a stronger signal. For the second case, means that is the load balancing, the wired infrastructure, that is MSC and BSC, may decide that the traffic in one cell is too high and shift some mobile stations to other cells with a lower load. That means if it is possible. So this handover is known as handover due to load balancing. That means if all channels of one base station are busy, then a nearby base station can provide service to the device. That means service to the mobile station or stations. Next is handover procedure. Figure shows the behavior of the received signal level from a cell or mobile phone moves away from a BTS, that is BTS old, to a new BTS, that is BTS new. In this case, the handover decision depends on average value of received signal. These values are compared to a threshold value known as handover margin, here small h. If the received signal level is more than or equal to a threshold level, a handover will occur. There are two types of handover, hard handover and soft handover. In case of hard handover, which is also known as break before make, that means existing radio link must be dropped for a small period of time, then taken by another base station. A call in progress redirected not only from a base station to another base station, but also from its current transmit receive frequency pair to another frequency pair. An ongoing call cannot exchange data or voice for this duration. For example, GSM, that is Global System for Mobile Communication, uses this type of handover technique. On the other hand, in case of soft handover, which is also known as make before break connection, that means the mobile station must make the connection with a new BTS. After that, it will detach with the old BTS. CDMA, that means code division multiple access technology, uses this type of soft handover. Now we will go through the intra BSC, intra MSC handover procedure. The mobile station first sends the measurement, means periodic measurement report, to the BTS old. BTS old forwards this report to the BSC old, that is base station controller old, together with its own measurements. Based on these values, that is current traffic conditions, the BSC old may decide to perform a handover and sends the message, that is handover required, to the MSC mobile switching center. On receiving that, MSC sends a handover request to the new base station controller. Base station controller now decides whether resources are available or not, means the channels or time slots. If it is available, the BSC new sends a channel activation command to the BTS new. On receiving on BTS new sends a channel activation acknowledgement in return to the BSC new. After that, BSC new sends a handover request acknowledgement to the MSC, and MSC sends a handover command to the BSC old, and BSC old sends it to the BTS old, and BTS old sends finally to the mobile station. After that, a link is being established between the mobile station and the BTS new. That means the mobile station is under the control or supervision of the new BTS. After that, the BTS new sends the handover complete information or command to the BSC new, and BSC new forwards it to the MSC. MSC receiving on handover complete command sends a clear command to the BSC old. BSC old sends another clear command to the BTS old. BTS old receiving the clear command sends a clear complete to the BSC old, and finally BSC old sends the clear complete command to the MSC. So in this way, handover is taken place for a intra MSC handover. Thank you.